Second derivative test algorithm. Step 1. Find dy by dx. First step is put y equal fx where fx is the given function. Step 2. Find dy by dx. Step 3. Put dy by dx equal 0. And solve the equation for x if a1, a2, a3, an are the roots of equation, then these points are called critical point, critical points or stationary point at which maximum or minimum value of the function is attained. Now step 4. Find d2 y by dx square. First step, if d2 y by dx square is less than 0, then at x equal a1, then x equal a1 is point of maxima or point of maximum value. If d2 y by dx square at x equal a1 is greater than 0, then x equal a1 is point of minimum value. If d2 y by dx square at x equal a1 is 0, we find d3 y by dx3, and if d3 y by dx3 at x equal a1 is not equal to 0, then at x equal a1, function has neither maximum nor minimum value. Neither maximum nor minimum value. If d3y by dx3 is equal to 0 at x equal x1, then we find d4y by dx4, and if d4y by dx4 is greater than 0 at x equal x1, then x equal a1, then x equal a1 is point of minimum value, and if d4y by dx4 is less than 0, then x equal a1 is point of maximum value, and if d4y by dx4 at x equal a1 is equal 0, then we find d5 by dx5, and if d5 by dx5 is not equal to 0, then is not equal to 0, then x equal a1 is point of inflection, means function has neither maximum nor minimum value. Then at x equal a1 function has neither maximum nor minimum value, or x equal a1 is point of inflection. Then x equal a1 is point of inflection, and if d5y by dx5 is equal to 0, then we find d6y by dx6, and so on.